My name is Melanie Kors, and I'm the controller at Alpha Lion. We sell workout supplements mostly through Shopify, Amazon, and then also direct to wholesale retailers like GNC and Vitamin Shop. So before using A2X Clarity, we had just gone through a NetSuite implementation to really bring our financial and operating systems to the next level. During the system transition, we brought over a lot of old manual processes, and we were looking for a lot of opportunities to improve our financial reporting. Our reporting involved just sending management reports from the ERP, which really aren't dynamic or easy to customize. Also, it was just a once-a-month activity. We really work in a fast-paced environment. We're always doing 100 different things at once, and waiting weeks for month-end close to make a decision on a sales campaign or a project that we were working on, it was just too slow for us. A2X Clarity is an easy-to-set-up BI tool for e-commerce companies that allows you to reconcile transactions and create reports, all with data transparency due to the ability to drill into every underlying transactions. We use A2X Clarity for reconciling figures between our ERP and sales channels. We use it to filter data for month-end adjustments and also to generate financial reports for management. The information in Clarity is updated on a live basis just every few hours, making it perfect for any reports that need to be checked throughout the month so that we can make decisions as soon as the information is available. When using Clarity reports, there are elements that make it feel like you're working with a giant pivot table that's connected to your ERP and sales channel data, making it extremely powerful. At any point in the process of creating reports or charts and graphs, you can drill into the details to see the individual transactions. As an accountant, I kind of live by the trust but verify motto, and with Clarity, I can trust the data in the reports because I can verify it. For our current setup, to sync data between our sales channels and NetSuite, we use NetSuite Connector. The issue that we continuously run into is that if there's a variance in the sales figures between NetSuite and Shopify, we had a really difficult time tracing it down to the individual transactions. We knew that part of this variance was because Shopify records sales the moment that the sale happens, whereas NetSuite's waiting for the item fulfillment to come through. But it was really difficult in a manual process in order to find the variances. With Clarity, we're able to easily identify which orders at the end of the month are pending fulfillment and therefore will cause a timing difference between our Shopify and NetSuite reporting. This gets rid of a lot of the questions at month end as to why the report in Shopify doesn't match NetSuite. As a finance team, we were using reports from our ERP, whereas sales and operations were typically using reports from our sales channels. Meaning, at the end of the month, there were always questions about mismatches in the data sources that couldn't be explained fully. But with Clarity, we can now explain those variances with precision. As a result, we've been having fewer conversations about data discrepancies as the teams have grown more confident in the data that we're presenting to them. One of our favorite features of A2X Clarity has been the ability to have AI generate reports for us based on a plain English prompt. This feature has made it really easy for our team members, especially those outside of finance, to jump into the tool and get the data and reports that they need instantly. It really helps save time during those kind of critical moments in the month-end close where accounting and finance might be focused on other tasks, but team members in marketing or sales are still needing to pull data from Clarity. Because we are able to trust the data that A2X Clarity provides across all teams, whether that be finance, accounting, marketing, sales, it means that we're all speaking from the same source of truth and that we're driving our decisions off of actuals and not off of we think this happens. We have tried other tools in the past, but they were either difficult to set up, lacked the customization features that we wanted, or we were really struggling to understand how the data was appearing in the reports. With Clarity, we have a tool that we can create custom reports and we have full visibility into the source of the data. Plus, A2X is a trusted name in the e-commerce space, so we felt confident that we'd receive the same great customer service that we've experienced using their other products. I would recommend A2X Clarity to any controller or finance leader in an e-commerce business that is looking to upgrade their month-end close reporting. From reconciliations to dashboards, Clarity gives us deeper insights into our financials, helping us make better financial decisions for the company's long-term goals.